Hey guys, it's Jonna. Okay, so your party group is officially set up. This is one that I am doing in November, but if you're seeing this at a later date, just ignore the November date. It just means that this is my current one, and you guys will see your current one when you log on to the link that I send you. First thing you're going to want to do is click this little invite button over here. When you do that, you're going to have a screen where you can type in your friend's name and invite whoever that you want to do that. Now, I would caution you, do not invite your entire friends list. You only want to invite the people that you have reached out to and they have said yes, they want to join this workshop, because you don't want to just blast everybody and annoy people when they don't know what you're doing. Plus, we don't want a bunch of people invited that don't actually RSVP and come, because that will mess up our Facebook algorithms. So we want this to show up for the people who want to see it. So here's where you click the invite button and go invite those people that you have reached out to. Remember, I've sent you pictures that you can text to people with little blurbs on, here's my favorite thing, some before and after pictures, whatever you want to do to get their attention and let them get in here. If you want to know if they haven't accepted the invite, because accepting that invite means that what I post and what you post in this group will show up on their news feed. So we definitely want them to hit that accept invite button. If you want to know who does that, you can come over here to members, which it should be over here, and you'll see like members requested. You can click members at the top even. Oh, that's the wrong group. Hold on. Well, let's just go back to that group so that you can see. Up here, I can click members and I can see which members have accepted the invite, which ones that if they need to invite. Over here, you can see that you've 189 people have been invited. Some of them have accepted and some of them have not. So make sure that your people accept the invite. I'm going to go back to that November 11th group. I should have pinned this group, which is another quick and easy way for you to find this group. So I would suggest you pin this group so that you can find it really easily. But I do want to bring attention to the fact that I have the very first post in here is about requesting samples. If your people are new, I can get rid of this. If your people are new, then they're going to want to request the samples of the EnviroCloth and the window cloth. Those are the two cloths that sell people on Norwex. And once they get those in their hands and they play around with them, they are sold just like we are. They know that it works just like we do. And so here is the link for them to do that. And I did say in here, hostesses, feel free to tag your peeps in here if you want to. So you can just go down to a comment and tag your people so that they'll know where to find the link. I am going to get those out by next Wednesday, next Thursday type thing, so that they get those in time for the party. This is the group where you want to be participating, okay? The more you participate, the more it shows up on your friends' feed. So in order to bring attention to it, you need to be posting before and after pictures that either you have done. All you have to do is go click right here and you can add a GIF or a GIF or however you say that. You can add before and after pictures that either you have done or that you have found, just by Googling Norwex before and after pictures. But the more you are involved, the more that your guests will be involved. And so they will learn more, they will have a better time. And just like if you find something really cool out in the public and you go tell your girlfriends, hey, you need to go try this thing out. This is what you're doing. You found something cool and you want to go tell your friends, here's what I love, here's what you need to go do. They are much more likely to buy and try the things that you recommend versus the things that I recommend, because they don't know me, they know you, okay? So just let them know what you love and we'll go from there. Also, make sure that they hit that join group button, because everybody who joins is entered into the very first giveaway for a body cloth. So this is just kind of your starting place. Honestly, this is the most that I'll ask you to do, because after this, I'll take it from there. So all you have to do is get your friends into this group and let them learn, okay? So happy inviting. Let me know if you need any help. I am here to help, and let's have a good time. Bye, guys.